Want to learn how to get a distance between two start address and destination address, like we are using this custom formula. uh, in this project we will use two locations, and on this behalf of two locations we will find the distance between them in kilometers or meters. So let's start our script. For example, we can start from here, extensions, app script. It will load app script environment. So here we will start creating our function get in kilometers. So before starting, we need a sheet map sheet. So this is the sheet you have to consider. Spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet dot get active sheet. Okay. Now we will get two locations. That is where start address map sheet dot get range. Range is the start address is given here at B2, and destination address at B3. So we will write this get value, and where destination address map sheet dot get range B3 dot get value. So let's check whether we are getting our addresses from it or not. So let's run this function. Okay, that is unexpected error. So this is the line 1. Okay, so we have forget to define this variable as okay. So now it will be working fine. Still, it is having some issue. Syntax error, unexpected token at line 1. We have not given a proper brackets over here. That's why it was giving a syntax error. So now it is okay. Now we can change this name, get distance. Great. So now we will print address, start address that we are getting. Okay, focus Jaipur, we are getting this. Now we will check with map. So here a variable map object is equal to, we will be using maps new direction finder. Okay, now this will be, and then map object dot set origin. So set origin is will be our start address, and map object set destination. This will be destination address. So variable directions is equal to map dot get directions. Okay, so we will now print directions in our log and check how it displays map data. So this is the string we have received, and this string consists of routes, and further it has latitude, longitude. Further, if we go inside this array, we will see some legs over here, and along with this, the like this distance is given over here, duration is given over here, and this is distance is for example given in meters as well as in text. Similarly, the time is also given in minutes, value is given in seconds. So from this we will extract our distance between the two locations. Let's check. For example, where distance kilometer. So this directions here in this first we will select routes, first array, then legs, then it will be a distance text, and same we will display in our logger. Let's check what we get. Great. Distance we are getting 63 point kilometer, which is same it is given over here. So now we will put this in. Now we will create a formula for our use case. So for formula we will write here further switch case will be switch return type, and if we this is in text, so sorry, distance in meter. So here we can check in value. So here we will create a case for return type. For example, using this we will result output will be in text format. Okay, and using this it will be in value format. Further, that value can be converted into kilometers also. Okay, so here we will use a case kilometer return break. Then second case becomes our case. It will be value. It will be text. Here value, and then here we will return distance meter. Then break. and the default we will set return wrong entry or wrong address and then break. Okay, and these two variables, these are, we will pass them from here. So I am writing this over here, start address, destination address, and a return type. And for now, I am excluding then these. Okay, and so this is our written over here. And if we come here and if we check get distance, we are not getting this formula over here. So in order to get this formula over here, we will write this, and let me recheck again. Okay, just a second. Here we will write description for our this formula. Get distance between two valid addresses. Save. Actually, it is there no variables have been passed, so it will give an error. Let's come to here, and then here we will check get distance. We are not getting this formula over here. Before that, I think we have to refresh. So one more thing we have to write over here, custom function. Right? Custom function. Now it should reflect. No, it's not reflecting. Let's refresh. Open app script. Now we check here. Get distance. We are not getting this over here. I think additional parameters we have to define for the variables which we have declared given here. For example, parameters start address parameter is given here. For this, enter start valid address grid from parameter destination address, enter destination valid address, and at the rate parameter return type. This defines return type as kilometer or value. Save this, and here we can get functions. Just a second, is equal to get here change this custom function spelling, check for the spelling error, and after that you will find this formula over here is equal to get distance. So we are getting this, and now here it is asking for start address. We will select this cell, then it is destination address, this cell, and it is asking for return type. So return type what we have, uh, kilometer or value. So I will write here uh, am. Okay. So it will calculate the distance. Okay, it's saying wrong address. Just a second, maybe it takes in. It is returning it is a wrong address. Let's check for the okay, it is in text or value. We have to write here text. So this formula is complete, and now it will has not given the distance. Let's check again. Okay, fine. So now it is in giving kilometer in text, and if we type value, so it will give us in meters, that we can convert in further in kilometers. Now you can change any write any address over here and check for its uh, application. For example, I am returning back, and here I am writing text, and here Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So let's see 267 kilometers. If I check over Google also, actually it is using the Google itself, so the results will be the same. Surat, Surat, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So the distance between them, total distance. Just a second. Here it is 267 kilometers, or it's exploring on the body. Here it is given 267 kilometers, which we have received here in our formula. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.